Okay, so learning outcome 7. So DC stands for direct currents. Shh. And this means that the electrons always move in the same direction. AC stands for alternating current. And this means that the electrons regularly change direction. Now, on an oscilloscope, these look like this. Okay, so on the oscilloscope, we usually mark the zero line in some way. So sometimes what you get is a grid and the zero line's a wee bit heavier than all the surrounding lines. Okay, so for DC, we have a straight line, and as we stressed at the time when we showed you, it could be positive, it could be negative. Negative simply means the opposite direction. And for AC, similar sort of idea, mark the zero line. And then we have the sort of wave patterns which we make in waves. Now the equivalent of the amplitude for a wave is called the peak voltage. And it would go to the negative of that. Underneath as well. So number 8, the quoted voltage of an AC supply So the quoted voltage is an average which can be compared to DC voltages. I.e., if you've got a 6 volt battery and a 6 volt quoted voltage for an AC supply, they would both make a light bulb equally bright. They would both do the same job. But you need to know that a quoted voltage is less than a peak voltage. Okay, that one makes sense, all right? Right, a wee bit of factual knowledge. In the UK, the main supply has a quoted voltage of 230 volts. And a frequency of 50 hertz. So that's a couple of numbers that you need to memorize. And then last one, this chapter, remember, was called Electrical Definitions. We've already given you a definition of what current means. The last one we want to do is to define what we mean by voltage. Now, in this course, in the SQA, they tend to refer to voltage as potential difference. I'll talk to you in a wee bit about why that is, but for now we just kind of need to define what they mean. So the potential difference, brackets, voltage, of a supply is a measure of the energy given to the charges in a circuit. So remember we said that what a battery does is it doesn't inject electrons into the circuit, it makes the electrons which are already there move, i.e. it gives them energy. And voltage or potential difference is a measure of how much energy it's given to each of the charges in a circuit.